Shit!
Keep moving!
Damn, what is that stuff? It's like its whole body is an open wound.
We should keep moving. No telling how long that gate's gonna last.
So tell me again why this was a good idea.
The army's in here. They've gotta have food to share. There shouldn't be zombies in the fences, right?
Better question? Where are all the people?
Oh, wait. They can't all be gone.
They sure left a lot of stuff behind.
Dead incoming! Oh, fuck me. Uh-huh.
This is just what I was hoping to find. No, really.
Keep your eyes open. I bet you can find a better weapon here somewhere.
Guess that just rang the dinner bell. Happy birthday to me.
Maybe my idea to explore the camp wasn't so good after all.
Too many Z's behind us to go back now. Might as well keep looking around.
You should definitely find a better weapon than your knife.
That'll come in handy.
Uh-huh.
Best find of the day. Look at that. Even after this long, people kept hoping to find their families again.
Yeah, just like Mom hoping you'd come home when she got sick. Didn't happen either.
I had a job and a life, unlike some people.
Somebody had to take care of her. Sure wasn't gonna be you.
I'm not getting into this again. Not now. Happy birthday to me. Better give it one more hit. What is this place?
Creepy as fuck. That's what. Get it off me!
Looks just like the gooey one we saw outside the gate.
Man, it bit me. Now I got gunk all over my shirt.
Now that is a tragedy. I gotta watch the noise.
Shit, this bite is really itching.
You always did fuss over every little scratch. Oh my god. What the hell happened here?
Jesus, fuck.
Oh, what a mess.
Is it just me, or did it suddenly get really hot?
Maybe we can find you some medicine if we keep looking. Now that's worth crawling. That'll come in handy. Nobody heard it, so no problem. This is useful, but it won't do anything for that fever.
Yo, that's a lot of zombies.
We can get past them if we're quiet.
Hey, get your butts over to the ladder!
Go, go, go!
What are you two doing? Not supposed to be any civilians here.
We thought the army might have food. Where did everyone go?
Whoever's still in charge shut it down, pulled everybody out. The army's gone, kiddo. Lucky for you, I stuck around to keep an eye out for anyone left behind.
Oh, fuck, I feel terrible. I just want to lay down and die.
Hon, you don't look so good.
My brother was bitten. I think it's infected. Got any medicine?
I've seen this before. You need something special. Go find the doc over at the S&B. Tell him I sent you.
You're welcome.
You know, hey, there aren't supposed to be any civilians left in the camp. I always knew she was a softie. What do you need?
My brother is sick. I think it might be serious.
Uh-huh. You'd better come with me.
This is like the one that bit me. What's wrong with it?
We call it the blood plague. It's contagious to humans, and it takes you while you're still alive.
Are you saying that's what's gonna happen to me?
Well, probably, but maybe not. Hey, you! Come here. You have a flashlight? Look for a sample case in there and bring me whatever you find. I've been researching blood plague with some other civilians. We found a cure that works if you use it soon after infection. The army took our lab when they left, but they didn't get everything. Did you find it? No cure? Damn. I'll need an infirmary to culture a new dose.
If we come across any crazy crap you've always had on your bucket list, let me know.
Hey, Doc, shit's getting bad out there. Thanks to all the noise, the Zeds are swarming the perimeter. This camp is done for. It's time for us to go. All of us.
You know I can't leave Jamie.
If you stay, I gotta stay. Then we both die. Jamie's gone. But this kid still needs your help.
Okay, fine. Just... give me a second.
Make it quick. We don't have much time.
Before we go, I need your help. That thing in the cage? It was a person once. I tried to reverse the effect, but we ran out of time. I don't have it in me to do what I should. Maybe you do?
I'm sorry. I hope you're in a better place now.
Listen, I know we've had our problems, but please, don't let me turn into one of those things.
You're my brother. I have your back. Always.
Thank you. I'm sorry I wasn't stronger.
All right, time to go. Big Sister's got the wheel. I heard some rumors about a good place we could hole up.
Yeah, no problem.
So how do we survive without the army around?
We keep going. As long as we stick together, we can survive anything. Sounds like we're empty again. We'd better be close.
This is the place. Pull up here. It's not much, but it should keep us safe.
Luckily, I don't need that much to get started.
Good to know. How are you feeling, little brother?
Like I got hit by a truck. This plague shit sucks.
Yes, and you need to take it seriously. Get over to the infirmary, okay?
Yeah, sure. The infirmary. Maybe that'll fix everything.
I feel like shit. Better get fixed up.
Please tell me he's gonna pull through. He has to.
This isn't as good as having the actual cure, but I should be able to keep his blood plague from getting worse for a while. That is, if we can keep our supply of meds from running out.
Damn it, this isn't fair.
Hey now, don't panic. The doc has this under control.
I know how to make sure that'll work. That's not the issue. I just need more plague samples. My lab didn't have enough.
I think I saw a place where we can find all the samples you'll need. Let's hope I didn't imagine seeing that toolkit in the trunk. I better get some of this unloaded. Fixing this damage won't take too long. That's the worst of the damage. That'll have to do for now. I'm filling up the tank now, but it won't last that long. We gotta find someplace with more fuel to scavenge. Time to go for a spin. Just gotta make sure those repairs worked. Okay, it's working fine. That's a relief. I'd hate to be stuck walking all the time. Driving is faster, safer, and lets me bring back a lot more supplies. Time to get this done. Ain't nobody dying on my watch.
Don't piss Pete off. That's gonna slow me down. Nothing to turn your nose up at. Empty. Let's not waste time here.
Now that's gonna make things nicer around here.
I found the plague sample we need.
Nice work. We're one step closer to the cure my patient here needs.
I got your sample here. How's he doing?
I'm starting to think dying would be better than this.
Relax. Everything will be fine. And you, please drop the sample in our supply locker.
I'll just drop these new supplies with the rest. That's gonna slow me down.
We now have enough plague samples to make the cure. We should get on that as soon as possible. Alrighty, I have the cure in hand. You ready to start feeling better?
Not to stress you out or anything, but I'm still kind of dying here. I gotta rest up. I feel like trash. I've been sick a lot of my life. Nothing ever like this.
I can't carry that much.
I feel like shit. Better get fixed up. I wouldn't wish this plague on my worst enemy. I've been sick a lot of my life. Nothing ever like this. This may not be contagious, but you probably still shouldn't hang around me.
I'd forgotten how it felt to actually save a life instead of losing all the time. I like that feeling. I think maybe survival is just finding every chance to feel like that again.
Things really are going our way, aren't they?
All right, we survived. That's good. But we ain't the only ones out here trying to do that. Unless we start killing some uglies, nobody's gonna last in this town for long. In my experience, the best way to find uglies is to follow the screamers. I saw one on our way into town.
We should worry about our base before we go out hunting Zeds. For this place to be functional, we need to upgrade it with some building materials.
Heading out. Everyone play nice.
Depende ata sa karakter yung mga ano eh. Yung mga tawag doon. Yung mga damit.
Oo, depende nga. Sa akin, iba yung binigay. Ayan, ano yan? Sumisigaw yan. Pwede ba natin i-crouch yan?
Subukan ko. Kung hindi, tatagayin ko na lang yan.
Okay, tagayin natin yan kapag ano, umalag. Ay, pwede.
Tangina, putok yung ulo.
Next. Okay, kung susundin ko, mission mo yan eh.
Ano gagawin?
Address, zombie threat. Yan na yun eh.
Dito tayo sa kaliwa. Saan ba yun?
Ayun, 75 meters. Baka ito yung gagawin natin kampo dito.
Wait lang. Patayin ko lang to isa.
Kailangan pala nagmamasid ka, no?
Ako minsan may mga item na dala to. Tara.
Okay. Found a good spot to search for materials.
Should this really be our priority right now? Safety at home is always a priority.
Sa likod doon.
Wala. Walang gamit. Dito na yata tayo. Uy, zombie sa taas. Zombie sa taas. Dalawa yan.
May zombie yata sa loob. Ano, akitin natin?
Oo. Hop. Putang ina, maharap. Wait. Uy, bumaba isa. Naglag. Putok. Dalawa pala, gumagapang yung isa.
Na-stuck siya dun sa ano, puta.
Oo nga. Sumabit eh.
Ito, may mga materials.
Maganda lang dito sa lalaro na to, ano? Hindi ata ako pwedeng kumuha eh.
This place looks
Pwede.
chock full of
Ito
enough.
pwede. Pero yung quest ikaw yata.
Nothing but good times.
Oh, yun na to. Ah, loko, mas mahaba na yung gamit ko. Ugh. Ang laki ng kabase, yung haba. Ito yung kabase ko.
Saan? Ano ba yung
Laki eh.
pang ano yan eh?
Nasisira ba yung gamit dito?
Yung iba ata. Yung iba matagal masira eh. Gamit ko machete. Babalik na tayo dun sa bahay. May zombie ata dito sa loob. Pwede bubuksan to.
Roll up? Hindi yata.
Tara, balik na tayo dun.
Ayun na, hinihingal na. Oh. May zombie dyan ah.
Sabon na. Meron na. Tanong mo, nandun sa ano, tanong mo kay Abe.
Naiwan si Abe dyan, Boboy.
Si Abila.
I'm back. Welcome home. Thanks for taking care of this.
Ah, mabilis lang mapagod.
That'll be perfect. Good fun.
Saan mag-iwan ng gamit dito? Parang walang stash to, Jay.
Yun, yung ano, supply locker.
Ito, ito.
Ito ata yun, no?
Ay.
Sup?
Ay, ito. Iwanan ko na kaya to. Ay, hindi yan. Ayun. Paano iwan yung kutsilyo?
Iba mo lang, ano, pindutin mo lang yung sa may backpack mo. Para lumipat siya.
Ayun. Pero yung kutsilyo nandyan na eh, no?
Oo.
Ay, gago.
Gago.
Ano to?
Dala lang tayong bala.
May bag pa pala akong isa, oh. Iwanan ko na yun.
Paano to? Paano gamitin to?
Ulit.
Save yung backpack.
Hindi, gamit mo na yan eh.
7 ano to eh, oh.
Ay, 7. Baka drop mo yung luma mo. Unequip F.
Can't carry that much.
Ah, ito, equip. Yun.
Nasa baba mo na yung maliit.
Ako na, nandun na. Tapos,
Hindi ko pwede pakialaman tong ano mo, yung parang bench mo. Kasi ano to eh, iyo to eh.
pwede pala akong mag-repair eh. Repair yung pili natin. Okay. Tapos, ito, bag to. Lagyan natin yan dyan.
Ano to? Pipe bomb?
Pwede yata i-salvage yan eh, yung mga weapon na ano.
Hey, yo.
Paano gamitin to? Pipe bomb? Ah, yun. Ay,
Layo pala.
Q.
Fire in the hole!
Ay, gago, nagamit. Firecracker. Marami na. So, magdadala tayo ng mga ano. Ano na quest natin? Ay, gago, napindot na naman. Ano, saan na tayo?
Labas na tayo. Hanap tayo ng ano. Ayun, waypoint ko na eh.
Oh, tara.
Eto, may zombie na naman na screamer.
Pwede naman tayo magkotse eh. Kaso sira pa. Hindi mo pa pala na-repair yan?
Hindi pa.
Repair mo dito. Kaso umigamit
Ay,
ka na.
toolkit? Hindi, dito yung toolkit.
That ain't happening.
Paano gamitin yung knife? Okay na? Okay na, okay na. Ang haba ng kabase ko.
Hindi na ata gamitin to eh.
Oo.
Kaso kailangan ng gas ka na ata to eh. No?
Oo, may gas dyan sa ano.
Pero ayaw, takbuhin na lang natin. 70 meters lang naman. Sayang yung gas.
Oh, tara.
Diyan na sa baba eh. Oh.
Para matesting lang. Ayun oh. Oh shit. Pag sumigaw yan, dadami kalaban yan.
Ano nakita?
Ay, putang ina mo. Sumak.
Narinig ka tumakbo eh.
Ayun oh. Pwede ka mag-crossover eh. Tapos patay, saksay mo sa likod. Eh, subukan mo ilagan. Tapos imo ka agad. Putang ina. Tumalsik. Tingnan natin baka may mga gamit. Parang days gun lang yun.
Continuous threatenous activities will reduce your stamina. Puta, kailangan natin matulog.
Ay na, walang tulugan na yan. Pasko na bukas eh. Okay, susundan lang kita. Ano ba mission? Ayun,
Ito.
Madali lang
Hindi,
siya.
galing na tayo di...
Madali lang siya laruin eh.
Wait lang, may kalaban dito.
Kala ko zombie malaki.
We have a confirmed infestation site in here.
Ah, ito na yung mission mo ata, yung truck. Dito, may sumisigaw dito. Sa loob niyan. Baka boss yan eh. Baka may quest ka rito.
Anong gagawin natin dito?
Parang may kukunin ka dyan eh. Dito yata sa mga truck yan eh. Dito oh, sa ganito. Maglulot ka yata dyan eh.
Hindi, ano lang to eh. Ito, pwede yata ayusin tong ano eh.
Baka yung loot mo dito oh. Eh, tapos na yata ito eh. Pero nandyan
Tapos
yung...
na.
Uy,
Ano yun?
ano yun? What the fuck? Nandito yung ano eh, ito, tinumoy sa mapa.
Ah, ito, nga ano.
Ay di, ayun na yata oh, sa Spearoid.
Oh, yan nga. Nag-waypoint na ako dyan eh. Ito, mapapalaban tayo dito ha.
Mukhang may boss na.
Tingin na ito nung makiat.
Ang inumakyat pa oh.
It's worse than I thought. This place has a full-blown infestation.
Remind me again why we're doing this.
We let that sit. It just keeps getting worse.
Saan nawala yung makyat?
May firecracker ka ba?
Meron.
Palabasin mo kaya sila doon sa ano. Kaso baka dumami.
Tara, doon tayo sa likod. Ayun na, dumadaan na isa. Sa likod doon, sa loob ng bako. Ano ba mission natin dito? Destroy. Tangin naman dami.
Paano natin de-destroy yan?
Ayun, may box sa loob mo.
Shit! Nagpasukan!
Ay, gago.
Rasa! Dami!
Nakita ka na yata. Takin na.
Okay, klaro na lang natin yan.
Okay.
Okay, running on empty.
Puta, pagod na ako.
Atras!
Dali, napagod ako.
Whoa,
Bakod.
a lot of plague zombies around here.
Bakit sa bakod? Ay, putang ina mo.
The air feels thick.
Gago.
Atras!
Wala na, pagod na ako.
If we're going to survive, we need to build some alliances. We should start by finding
Okay,
some friendly neighbors.
Wala tayo likod. Yan.
Ano? Atay. Tangina po.
Pag wala ka palang tulog, mabilis ka mapagod. Ayun o. Umiikli yung ano.
Yeah, it's not gonna work.
Oo nga, no.
Oh, this looks like a promising spot for an outpost.
Okay, work's done and this outpost is ready for use. But as nice as it is, we could spend some time and make it even better.
Ikaw lang pwedeng kumuha pag dilaw yung ano, kulay.
Ito, blue. Pag blue, ikaw ata eh.
Pag blue, oo.
I like that.
Ooh, I like that.
Uy, pizza. Kinapay. Babalik na tayo niyan, no?
Sweet.
Ano gagawin dito?
Ano yung kinuha ko?
Tapos... Okay na ata eh.
Mabagal yung ano ko.
Ito, gasolina.
Maybe we can trade this with someone.
Ito, may galon, no?
No way I can fit this.
Ay, babalikan ko to. Kaya mo bandalin tong isa? Ay, may dala ka na rin pala. No? Tara, balikan na lang natin.
Wala akong pizza eh. Kailangan talaga magkukotse ka, no? Pang ano yun eh, marami kang madadala pag may dala kang kotse.
I'm so beat.
Yun, naantok na yung karakter ko.
Paano
pag matulog, pagpapalit ka ng karakter, no?
Oo, ata.
Para tuloy-tuloy yung game. Tapos yung mga military may rifle, yun yata yung gagamitin mo sa mga boss. Iba yung adventure ano mo. Iba yung pang-adventure mo.
Oo. Hindi ko pa nasubukan yung ano dito yung military.
Pag may kakalabanin tayong mga ano, yung military gagamitin natin.
Sup?
Dito yata to iwanan.
Supplies here.
Ayun. Tulog tayo muna.
Ayan, papalit tayo ng karakter. Ayun, pagod na si ano.
Okay, gamitin ko si ano.
Ako si ano. Puro naka ano, welding ano, mas eh. Ulit eh. Ito, may handgun ako. Ano to? 22. Anong baril to? 22 caliber rounds. Ah, ito. Anyway, rounds. Walang. Ah, nasisira din pala yung gamit eh. So bago mo pala siya i-rest, mag-iwan ka na ng gamit, no?
Oo.
Ang military ginamit mo. Sa akin, bakit sa akin babae?
Dapat pala iniwan ko yung machete dun sa ano, no?
Oo.
Kaya.
Ah, sniper rifle din yung gamit.
Nice to see you again.
Iwan ko yung machete.
Be careful out there.
Ayan, gamit ko military rin. Kaso babae. Mas mahaba ata yung ano nito eh. Uy, alas 9 na pala.
Okay, iba ba tayo ng supply rocker?
Hindi ko sure. Oo yata. Baka magkaiba pag nag-open tayo.
Okay.
7.62.
We need allies. The skills and resources they offer are vital to our survival.
Tara.
Kunin ko lang yung machete. Ano yung sidearm ko? Ako, chill.
Kaso wala akong sombrero. Lagyan ko nga sombrero to. Yok.
Hindi pa daw tapos yung download. Bagal naman ng internet nila, ano. Jun.
Ayun pala, may sombrero eh. Wait, pwede na. Bonnie hat.
How's it going?
Ay baka may military helmet. Meron to eh.
Hey, how's life treating you?
May screamer na naman sa labas, oh.
Ay wala, tara.
Well, bariling ko nga na sniper yan. Nasaan na yun? Ay, dito sa kaliwa.
Saan na ba tayo?
Ito, wait lang. Barili ko lang to. Paano mag ano?
Zay, zoom.
Putok yung ulo.
31 meters. Yan na naman mission.
Wala na. Saan na tayo? Saan na tayo dyan eh? Permanent safe house na pala ito.
Alin? Saan? Ayan. Tara. Ang layo. Umagain tayo niyan.
Paano to? Hindi, dito lang sa babae sa kanina lang yan eh.
Ano yun? 270 meter na yan. Tara.
Ay, may zombie. Narinig akong zombie.
Specialize oh.
Ano yung mission
Ano
dito?
left shift screen?
Ano yung may ano? Fading keyboard. Ano to? Pwede ka na natin.
Ayan oh. Zombie. Ano ba sabi sa mission?
Wala, magpipinpoint ka lang ng mission sa ano eh. Sa mapa eh.
Ganyan yata oh. Makakakyatin yan. Site secure.
Tara, ano natin to? Secure natin tong ano.
Makakakyat. Nasaan ka?
Dito ako sa may parang ano.
Ayun o, aim.
Tartan mark.
Aim, survive. Anong gagawin? Paano yung mag-buy? Aim to survey mode. Aim. Ayun o, sinasurvey. Yung mga question mark. Ayun o, may mga ano.
I think that'll do it.
Ayun na, okay na. Aim sa survey. Okay na yata. Parang nilagyan ng mark yung mga ano. Okay na yata. Ay, gago.
Wait na lang, ila ako. Wait lang, ila ako. Tara.
Maybe there's a use.
That's it?
Ito. Dilaw.
Pwede rin nata gawing safe house to eh.
I'll take.
Mga gas can to. Ano ba to? Kinukuha ba to? Ba't sa'yo to? Dilaw to sa'yo?
Outpost prep is finished and ready to run. And it's got plenty more potential if we're up some work.
Shit. Ito, may dilaw rin dito, rep. Uy! Kinakatok yung pinto.
Saan kaya natin? Hindi, ikutin na lang natin sa likod. Ayun na, kamuha sa pal. Puta nga, nakagat ako.
Aray!
Not done with that one. And I'm out.
Ang kulit ng ano eh.
Not happening.
Ang dilim ang puta. Tapos... clear na ba yan?
Sa taas, oh, mayroon pa, oh. Dapat pala i-clear mo muna para gawin mong outpost, no?
Meron daw ba?
Pwedeng galon. Ano ba tao? Ito yung kabila, oh, kabilang building.
Mataas to, mataas.
Eto, may bag dito, oh.
I'd have to drop something else.
Well, looky here.
Balikan ko na lang to. Lagyan ko waypoint.
Ito, dilaw oh, sa'yo to.
That's it.
Seems all settled now.
Ito, dilaw din dito, Jay. Okay din siya laruin. Survival. Nakuha mo yung mga dilaw dyan?
Oo. Bababa ko lang sa supply locker tong Pwede ata? Ay, hindi pwede.
Ano to? Battle of Conditioner.
Tara. Babalik na ako dun sa ano. Balik muna tayo dun sa camp.
Tara.
Bababa ko lang tong ano. Pwede mo bang iyan to? Pwede mong i-carry to?
Pwede yata.
Pwede?
Oo, ayan o.
Kunin ko yung isa.
O, sige.
So ko nga pala nakita eh. Ah, dito. Ay, nawala na.
Nawala?
Dito ba yun? Wait lang, hanapin ko.
kabila.
Ito. Tara.
Ayan, tara. Saan ba yung base natin? Ayun, diretso lang to. Ala! Bubu umakyat. Op. Kailangan talaga rito magkokotse ka. Para mas marami kang makuha. Sinubukan ko na kanina yun eh, kotse.
Kailangan lang ng gas ka na tayo no?
Oo. Hindi ko lang alam pagkarga ng gas.
Hi there.
Deposit.
Okay na ata, no? Sulit itong bag ko. Tara, nilagay ko na yung dalawang lata eh.
Tara.
Saan tayo?
Nawawala yung lata pag ano?
Oo.
Mag-mark ka. Sa mapa may mapula eh. Ibig sabihin, ma-zombie yan. May supply ano.
Clear muna natin yung paligid.
Wala naman yata zombie.
No way they didn't hear that.
Nakakuha ka rin pala ng damit sa mga loot.
Meron? Ba't di ko makuha? Zombie.
KS. KS.
KS eh. Tapos kapag may nakuha ang gamit, lagay mo sa ano kotse. Dito.
Wala. Paano to? Okay. Pwede ka pala magpalit ng karakter para makakuha ka ng ibang outpost.
Saan? Pwede? Paano?
Pinutin mo yun yung outpost. Pwede ba ako?
Saan?
Pwede ba ako mag-pin? Dito. Yung may flag.
Only ano daw? Only,
ano sabi?
Only host can claim ano. Host na ikaw lang.
So magpapalit ako ng karakter, no?
Oo.
Park natin na maayos tong anong dali. Baka nakawin to eh. Kunyari ano.
Dito, gasolinahan, no? Paano magdadala ng tangke? Galing na pala tayo dito eh, no?
Oo.
Clear na yata natin to.
If I take out the nearest plague heart, this might just clear up.
Wait lang, baba ko lang sa trunk to.
Ano to? Claim by Plague Heart. Ano ibig sabihin? Claim... parang may mga zombie yata to. Ano ibig sabihin nito, Plague Heart? Baka may boss dito.
Baka i-clear natin yan. Kasi may mga ano ata dyan eh.
Better than a slap in the face.
Okay.
We're in the clear for now. But it's not safe with a plague heart this close.
Dito, pwede. Ano, puntahan mo to. May mga dilaw. Para sa'yo lang to. Parang nag-ano yung sound ah.
Parang area ata nung may mga kulay pula to eh.
Pakita mo
Well,
na
I
yun.
guess things must be clear.
Ay. Nagulat ako. Mga gamot lang ata pwede kong kunin. Ito, maraming dilaw eh. Ikaw lang kukuha eh.
Wait lang, balikan ko. Baba ko lang sa ano to.
Lapit mo yung kotse. Ay, ako na kukuha ng kotse.
Sige, sige.
Pwede yata ako mag-drive eh. Pwede nga ako mag-drive. Ayun na, may mga zombie sa labas.
Ayun na, naglapitan na.
Can't do it.
Yak, dito mama yung ano.
Galing.
Wala, nakakuha ako ng plague heart ng puta. Nakagat ako eh.
That's gonna slow me down.
Ay! Ano yun? Ano yung kinuha ko? Pupuno na yung truck natin. Wala na no? Ano ibig sabihin no natin? Ano na to? Paano?
Hey, I'm not feeling so great out here. Got any favorite home remedies?
We'll sort you out. Let me give you some advice.
Makakakitin natin sa taas. Mayroong akyatan no?
Ano?
May akyatan. Pero walang gamit. Wala namang gamit dito.
Clear ko lang tong ano. Nakagat ako ng ano, kulay pula ang putik. Yalagdat yung karakter ko.
Kailangan mo rin pala mag-iingat eh, no?
Hindi, basta yung mga kulay pula.
Paano yan? Gagamutin ka?
Oo, papalit ako ng karakter.
Paano gagawin dyan? Claim by plague. Ito, may dilaw dito, Jay. Hindi mo kinuha.
Wait lang, wait lang. Yan na, okay na. Na-claim ko na eh.
Doon sa kabila, may dilaw.
Puno na ako eh.
Lagay mo sa truck.
Puno na rin yung truck.
Laglag mo, baka pwede kong kunin. Sumo mo na maglaglag. Baka may kaya akong dali.
Yan.
Yeah, I got it.
Ayan,
It's
ako.
gonna be slow.
Sana lang, may... Pwede pa akong magkarga ng isa. Naglagan mo ko isa pang gamit.
Okay, dali lang. Ay, car pala. Ako, sampayan nata yan eh.
If only I had room for
Ay,
it.
wala na. Hindi ko na kaya. Puno na ba yung truck?
All down here.
Boombox oh.
Wala na, puno na. Uwi time na tayo niyan.
I can't carry this.
Hindi mo na kaya yan, balik ka na lang yan.
Oo, tara.
Sampayan.
I can't carry this.
Kaso baka pagbalik natin. Wala, lagyan ko territory yan.
Ako mag-drive.
Lagyan natin waypoint. Pwede ko ata buksan yung pintuan eh.
Tangina, pati pa naman dito, sablay sa parking ang puta. Yak. Tabingi, stigmatism puta.
Nagagulo sa ako agad.
Ay, di. Ano pala muna natin?
I hope nothing heard that.
Ay, nandun sa ano?
Hindi, laglag mo muna yung una.
I can't give you that much.
Paano mag-storage?
No room for that.
Dun sa ano, supply box.
Supplies dropped off. Mission accomplished.
Ba't ganun ayaw? Itong mga ay gamit, weapon pala tong hammer. Oh. Ano to? Pine car. Ano pine tree car freshener?
Been keeping safe?
Para saan to?
It's ugly out there.
Ewan.
Hang it on your assault vehicle.
Well, that was loud.
Paano lalagay yun? Ano sinisira yung pinto ang puta? Ano ba to? Box of snack.
Yan ako. Ano?
Oh, game. Ayun ako, zombie. Nice. Ay, may ano, may ano. May hinulog na atay. Wala. Dinandahan ang puno. Ayan, may atay dyan. Sandali. Kunin ko. Op.
Ugh, being this close to a plague heart always gives me the creeps.
Okay, tara. Dito na ba?
Di ba, di ba?
Konting ano pa.
Sa kaliwa. Kakaliwa tayo.
Bahay yan.
Tara. Ito na ba yan? Okay, tara.
Ano sa likod?
Tara. I-clear natin ata ito eh.
Sige. Kaliwa ka, kanan ako. Dito muna sa paikot muna ng bahay. Clear.
Ang dami sa loob.
Firecracker ko kaya yan. Ay, sa likod mo!
Sa likod mo rin.
Nice. Tangin na yan ah. Sayang bala. Tangin na dami. Nice.
Tangin na itong mga ton. Naglaro kami ng Days Gone eh.
Smells like a whole town died.
Ayun. Ngayon, paano natin...
Uy, ano yun?
Paano natin na ano yun yan? Baka kailangan na maulotob.
Dali, clear muna natin. Baka naglalabas ang kalaban niya. Hindi kaya tatagayin lang yan.
Kaya, bukan natin, dali.
Ito, may mga rims ng ano.
Okay, subukan natin tagayin. Shit.
I gotta rest.
Masikip, labas.
I need a break.
Labas. May dynamite yata, dapat. Baka kailangan ng granada dyan. Ito, nasa loob.
Ayun, nakalabas.
Tangin na yun, taba kasi ang puta. Ayun, zombie pa sa loob oh. Labas, Jake! Dami.
Gotta finish that one off.
That won't work.
Puta, napagod na pala ako.
Hindi ako na dyan.
Pag tinatagaan natin, ano? Nagtatawag, no?
Oo. Paano gagawin dyan?
Tumatawa po. Wala naman siyang buhay eh.
Okay, this one's
Ayun,
clear.
patay na, Jay.
That should let us reclaim some of this area.
Napatay mo?
Oo, pinagtataga ko lang din.
Ayun, may shotgun oh.
Well, that ain't half bad.
Saan yung shotgun? Wala sa akin. Baka ikaw lang nakakuha.
Pipe bomb. Baba ko iba para makuha mo.
No room for that.
Have all I can carry.
Okay na. Tatagayin lang pala ng tatagayin, no?
Oo.
No room for that.
Crafting item. Hindi ko makuha.
Sayang to, pang repair oh. Baba ko to, wait lang.
Dynamite.
I can't carry that much.
Puno na. Dahil, lagay ko muna sa kotse.
Tara, papahinga ko rin yung karakter ko. Tanga nilalagnat na. Yan na, na-clear na oh. Uy, zombie! Sa likod!
Tangina.
Walang scrap. Wait lang, patayin ko lang to.
Ito, Jay, may dilaw pa rito oh. Sa may sopa.
Wait lang. Ina mo.
Nadurog na yung ano.
May mga zombie dito sa may container.
Napagod.
No, nangalahati nga yung stamina ko. May kulay blue dito oh. Parang sa gas.
Well, that was loud.
Pwede yata tayo tumulong ng ano eh.
need help.
Gas. Bigas pa ba yung ano natin?
Meron pa yan. Magkakalahati pa lang nga tayo.
Time to move on.
Yun, napuno.
Ano to?
Full tank.
Pile of weapons. Kunin mo na lang to kay Johnny.
Wala.
That's gonna slow me down.
Ano yan? Melee weapon heavy.
Tara. Uwi muna tayo. Puno na ata yan no?
Ayun, yung bag ko. Iwanan ko na kaya itong bag, no?
Ilan ba yung laman yan?
7. Meron na ako eh. Ikaw,
may sumali sa atin, no?
Saan?
Sino kaya yan? Nagradyo ako ng ano, akala ko yung kaninang NPC yung ano, dadating.
Saan siya? Ayun no, si ano? K9.
KK99.
Aso ata yan.
Putang ina, baka maligaw tayo.
Basta mag-invite kami, join eh, no?
Oo, basta ako niya, nag-call ka lang help.
Malungkot ata yan, naghahanap ng kalaro yan, no?
Oo. Liwanag naman ng buwan.
Ano yung item natin? Kita din niya? Parang ganon.
Baka.
Pares kami ng karakter natin.
Di baka baguhan lang dito sa ano yan eh.
Have all I can carry.
I hope nothing heard that.
Ano tong ano? Battle of Condition. Hygiene. Active ingredients. Saan nga gamit? Paano gamit?
Hey yo.
Okay na. Iano ko muna to si ano. Ay.
Kailangan ba to, Jay? Yung ano? Case of dental floss?
Baka kailangan yan.
Pan-trade. Pwede natin i-trade. Tara, palitan muna na. Palit muna tayo hero.
What's up? Take it easy then.
I'm headed to the doctor.
Gamitin ko naman si ano, Kiara.
Si?
Kiara. Anong gamit ito? 22 caliber rounds. 22. Ay, sayang yung bag. Dapat pala kinuha ko. Tangina, 6 pa lang pala yung bag nito.
Meron ako 7, no? Ano ang sabi ko?
Nasaan na? Nasaan yung 7? Pero, ay, akin na.
Ay, ito pala 8.
8?
Hey.
Dito ka. Baka kunin niya na yan.
Okay.
Yan, 8 yan.
Paano nga ba to? F.
Ako na. Ano next mission natin? Ito na, pwede na tayo mag-clear.
I gotta watch the noise.
Yung bala pala.
Next mission natin dito.
Ano to?
Kailangan natin mag-claim ng territory na. Pwede na. Ano? One outpost slot you have 0. Ba't magkakaroon na outpost slot?
Hola, friend. What's new?
Be careful out there.
Tara. Asan na si ano, K9? Ayun, naghintay na sa ano.
I hope nothing heard that.
Ano na mission
Wag ano?
natin?
Mag